You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say no in Russian. We'll be looking at how to say more useful Russian vocabulary and names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Nyet. Nyet. The top word that you see on your screen is the Russian spelling using the Russian alphabet. The bottom word is the phonetical spelling Nyet. Nyet. It's easy. Nyet. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.